Today let's take a look at this Sylvania double life. Apparently I got this at the Restore for $1 and this came to the Restore on December the 6th, the day before my birthday. So let's take it out. Obviously I didn't go to the Restore on my birthday. There's the etched, CSA approved. It says Sylvania 25 watt, 120 volts. So let's screw it into a test base and see what it looks like. And if we turn off these other lamps, then we can see it's a nice warm light, and it's not the brightest thing because 25 watts, it's not the brightest thing in the world. And they're the 60 hertz flicker bands, but they're not. But I can't visibly see it flicker in my eyes, so that's a plus. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I make a video, probably later today, because there's other stuff I want to get out of the way. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.